Hey everyone, I'm back here again with the Dell Optiplex GX150 this time. Based on the title of the video, this computer is running Windows 2000. This was originally going to be my Windows 98 computer. And I've thought of another idea to upgrade the hard drive from a 20 gigabyte hard drive to a 40 gigabyte drive to have two partitions, one for Windows 98 and one for Windows 2000. But I ended up having a better idea of buying another computer that I could run Windows 98 since I had the room for an extra computer. So I bought a Dell Optiplex GX110 from eBay, but even though I had to buy a hard drive for it, but and here's an update, which here's the its original IDE cable. A lot of people were suspecting that it could be a bad IDE or something with the jumpers on the hard drive. So I've tried everything, but unfortunately, I think that motherboard is bad because it's got bad the IDE controllers on that board is no good, which is very common on that particular model Dell Optiplex. Which I'm eventually going to end up getting another motherboard so we can probably do some content of attempting to rebuild that computer, but so stay tuned for that. Once I get another motherboard, we're going to try and rebuild it. And without my rambling, let's go ahead and fire up the Dell Optiplex GX150 in the meantime. Even though I'm still going to hold on to this old IDE cable, because the drives, speaking of the hard drive, I tested it in another computer with a Windows 2000 install CD, and surprisingly Windows 2000 formatted and actually installed on that drive, which would be this Dell Optiplex GX150, even though the Dell Optiplex GX150 still got its original 20 gigabyte hard drive that came with this computer. Because I needed it, I always wanted to make sure the hard drive was still good. And as we're booting up into Windows 2000, and I installed a couple of little updates for it to be able to use modern programs, and I do have some era appropriate programs like Office 2000 on this, and a couple of games. I even enabled the compatibility mode for certain 9X games, which we're going to get around to. So let's go ahead and log in. So let's go ahead and show you what version of Windows 2000 is, of course. Even though this is also Service Pack 4. with update rollup 1 installed, and I am probably going to put a couple of more programs so let's show a game in action. And I did install a couple of little emulators on here, 2 emulators on here to be exact.
Welcome to the hot dog stand, the works. In order to cut the mustard, you have to be prepared for each event in the arena and stay informed so you'll be top dog. Before each event, get off to a good start by going to the desk to check your to-do list and your calendar. Then tune into the TV for the day's weather and any special news reports. Check the bulletin board to find out how many people the arena can hold for different events. Read announcements from the arena management and see your inventory. Stock up on supplies for the stand by ordering from your supplier folder located in the file cabinet. Enter the quantities you want on the order form and pay by check. Set your prices on the today's special sign. Use your checkbook and franchise report on the computer to keep track of your costs and profits. When you are ready for business, go to the hot dog stand. If you manage your office well, sales will sizzle when you open the stand, and your profits for the season will be tasty. For more information on running the stand, read the binder on your desk, look at the books in your bookcase, or go to the help menu.
Alright, that's going to take too long, so we're going to... Here's a program for nostalgia that I used to use a lot, play around with in high school. Let's mess around for a little bit.
This is a demo of Windows 2000 running on the Dell Optiplex GX150.
Oh. Didn't sound right. Let's try that again.
This is a demo of Windows 2000 running on the Dell Optiplex GX150.
So let's go ahead and shut her down. That's Windows 2000 for you on the Dell Optiplex GX150. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.